Hello. Hello. This is a Milo bar. Milo bar. Now what you do is, what flavor it is? It's a chocolate flavor. Yes, chocolate flavor. And a lot of Chinese people, they love the Milo bar. What is it called? Milo bar. Repeat after me. Milo bar. Yes, very tasty. Now, not much sugar because it's a bar. It's very healthy and kids love it. Just pack in a lunchbox, pop, 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 with other things. Stack. And that's it for lunch. They go and they finish in 1 minute. Less than 1 minute actually. And how can they have it every day? No. They should. I'll show you in the pantry. Come over here. Pantry. Now, at night, if they're hungry, don't give them a Milo bar. Give them big Milo drink. Okay? See this? Yeah. Don't put 10 teaspoons. Don't let them lick on the top there, inside there. Okay? Put it in the drink and put some milk there. And then they drink and they become strong. Muscles.